Morning, we're here today to show you a few techniques to best snap together GreenSeam Plus pipe.
So if I was going to snap together some pipe, the first thing I'd probably start with is to unbundle this. So how I would unbundle this is I would actually grab the piece like so, I would pull it back off the bundle, and then to slide the whole piece off. Now for the first way that I'm going to snap this piece of pipe is, it's going to be a little bit quicker than most, is I would start up here on the crimp side and get that locked in a little bit. Now I'm actually holding this together like so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work this down, and I'm going to work it down by hitting down and towards myself as I pull that piece of pipe. Now once I got that snapped up like that, I always like to just put a little bit of pressure down on it just to make sure everything's snapped. So that's method one. Now for method two, I'm going to follow the same process down here. Pop that off that bundle, slide it off. Now this is going to be very similar to method one, only this time instead of hitting it with my hand, I'm actually just going to push the lock into the female part of the lock. So I'm just going to work my way down here. Like always, I'm going to push down a little bit just to make sure that I'm locked up in there. So that's method two. Now for method three, we're going to put it down on the ground. And what we're going to do is straddle over top the piece of pipe. Start with your crimp side. Get that put into that lock. And then you're just going to slowly work that lock in as you get down the piece of pipe. So always flip up on its side, just give it a little push, make sure you're locked in.
So the first set of methods that we showed you were on 8-inch diameter pipe. We're going to go over those same methods using a 6-inch diameter piece of pipe.
Okay, so the method for the smaller diameter is the same as the 8-inch. We're still going to de-nest it off of the bundle in the same way. Pull it out wide, separate that piece from the bundle. We pull that over here. Again, we're going to use the same method. We're going to pull that crimp together like so. Now the only difference between this and the 8-inch is just takes a little bit more force to pull that together. As we start to slide down here, this pipe's going to lock in just the same. Get up on the side, put a little pressure down, piece of pipe. Now we're going to do another piece. Same kind of a method, only this time we'll actually just walk that piece down and be a little bit not as aggressive with this piece. So we'll always start right there in our crimp, pull this down. Work our way down. There's our piece of pipe. Now we'll do one final method, and that's down on the floor like we did with the 8-inch also. Again, same method. We're going to straddle over top the piece of pipe. We're going to put the crimped end together first. There's our lock piece.
For more tips and information, visit greenseamind.com.